Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and today I'm sharing Moda Block Heads 3 Block 35. And this block is by Lisa Alexander, and it is really going to be a favorite. I had so much fun making. I've seen these before, and I've seen them called X and plus blocks. They've got the cross and the plus in the middle, but this is a super fun pattern, and I know you're going to enjoy today's block. Okay, this week's block 35, was really fun to make. I love these X and plus style blocks. And I just used two different fabrics and a solid background, but I feel like you could actually make each one of these scrappy if you wanted. 4 different prints in the same colorway, and because you have the chance to unify it using the plus portions of the block. And you could even do 4 different prints and make really scrappy. This would be a great stash busting block to make a larger quilt of. So I did use the mini simple folded corners ruler to do the folded corner units on this block, on all of these units, and just a real time saver. So I will link everything in the description below. I'll link my blog post, I'll link this ruler, and you can get this pattern and have a lot of fun with it. I hope you enjoyed today's video about the Moda Block Heads 3 Block 35 block, and I will link everything in the description below so that you can go get the pattern and also the tool that I mentioned that made this block even easier than it already is. It's such a cute, fun block. I know you'll enjoy making it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks so much for stopping by.